how to send a picture to an email. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to send a picture to an email. In that case, you can do it in a different way, so I'm going to show you one of the easiest way on how you can do it. First of all, make sure that your device is up to date, and along with that you're connected to an internet service. Go ahead and open up the image or the gallery, and then when you open up your photos or the gallery page, go ahead and select the one. I'm going to send this following image. So click the share button from the bottom right, and then you can see this option as share to apps. So from there you can go ahead and select Gmail. If you don't see this option as Gmail right on top, then you can go to more, and then you can locate Gmail. Here, enter in the address of the receiver. Then you can go ahead and enter in the subject, compose an email, and if you're done with this, click on the arrow icon from the top right, and accordingly your picture has been sent. So that's how you can send a picture to an email. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.